Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are making the iconic Karak tea, a drink cherished in every season at any time and in every corner of India, Pakistan and beyond. It's more than just tea, it's a way of life. Let's dive into crafting this magical drink. In a teapot, pour 2 cups of water. This recipe served 2. Add 2 crushed cardamoms and 2 teaspoons of thinly sliced ginger. Slicing ginger thin helps retain its natural juices. Boil the water for about 2 minutes or until the color changes. Add 3 teaspoons of black tea and let it boil for another 2 minutes on medium to low heat. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Morokistan Kitchen yet, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon to stay updated with our latest recipes. Stir in 3 teaspoons of sugar and boil for another 2 minutes. Then pour in 1 cup of warm milk. Using warm milk prevents a layer of fat from forming. Bring the tea to boil, then reduce the heat to low. Simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally or continuously if you believe it enhances the flavor. And there you have it, your amazing Karak tea is ready to enjoy. This soul refreshing drink will energize you and melt away your tiredness. Serve it with your favorite biscuits or snacks. Let us know in the comments how your tea turns out. Happy cooking and see you next time.